Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I obviously was inspired by Valentines, which is just around the corner, and I feel like this look is just so soft and so like glamorous because it has sparkle. So you can wear it to dinner with your boyfriend, your husband, if you're gonna go out with your girls for some drinks. I just feel like this look is so pretty and wearable. So I hope you guys definitely love it. If so, just keep on watching. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to be starting off with the Tarte Shape Tape. And then to set the concealer, I'm just going to be using some translucent powder, and the one I'm using is the Airspun. So for the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today, it's going to be the Jaclyn and Morphe palette. So the colors I'm going to be starting off with is going to be this mustardy yellow color right here and the color next to it. And for brush, I'm going to be using the Sigma E40. Once we're done with our transition color, we're going to be going ahead and use this color right here. And to blend that eyeshadow out, I'm going to be using the Morphe M441 brush. Once I'm done cutting the crease, I'm now going to set the crease with the same Airspun translucent powder. And I'm just going to do it halfway, just so that way the outer part, since it's still tacky, you can still blend it. And it doesn't leave you like a really harsh line when it comes to glitters. It's kind of hard sometimes to blend out the glitters and the shadows. Now I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer, and it looks like this. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter. It's the color Rose, and it's like a pretty pastel pink color. I'm going to be taking this Morphe R39 brush, and once we're done blending everything out, I'm going to be going with lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these. You guys know by now I wear these all the time. I'm not going to be showing them too much now, just because you guys already know by now what lashes I wear. So once we're done with our eyes, then we're going to prep the skin. For today, I'm going to be using the TooFaced Hangover primer. And this primer, guys, I've used it for a while and it is amazing. Like, it is so bomb and I love it. It's just, it keeps your makeup intact. Like, I didn't really believe people when they said like, oh, this primer is like so good. Like, I tried it and it works. Like, it leaves your skin so amazing. So you guys definitely do have to try it out. Go to Sephora and ask for a sample, just because it's like liquid, I'm pretty sure they can give it to you. Once my primer is set into the skin, I'm gonna be going ahead and apply the Badescu lavender spray. So once that's all set into my skin, for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation with the L.A Gilr Pro Coverage HD High Definition foundation. And to blend the foundations, I'm going to be using this oval brush from, I believe I received this from my makeup brush set, it's called. I'll leave the information down below if you guys are interested, but this brush is like so good. I normally go with this first, and then after I go with my beauty blender. Once we're done with our foundation, now I'm going to be highlighting my face. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. You guys know this by now. I love this product. It's so amazing. I'm going to be using the color light medium and medium. I'm starting off with medium first. and then light medium on top. setting my under eyes with the Mercier powder. Now I'm going to be going back with the eyes, and I'm going to be smoking the bottom of our lash line with the same colors I was using for my crease. So now I already finished my bottom mascara, and I also put some inner corner highlight. For the inner corner highlight, I use the MAC Oh Darling. I'm going to be bronzing now, and I'm going to be using my butter bronzer, which I wear all the time. And for brush, I'm going to be using the Morphe M527. It looks like this. Now I'm going to be applying this Tarte blush. It's in the color Party. Now I'm going to be going back with the Badescu spray and melting all the products into my face. So now for highlighter, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter, which is obviously the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. And I'm going to be using these two brushes. I'm going to be using the Morphe M504 brush and the Real Techniques setting brush. Now for my lips, I'm going to be outlining with the brown lip liner from jaclyn, and I'm going to be filling it in with the NYX Soft Lip Cream in the color London. And I'm going to be adding on top the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, which is like a lip gloss, and it's in the number 64, and I believe the name is Unreal. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys definitely love it, definitely do recreate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button down below to be notified with my latest videos, and I'll see you guys next time.